Since you are already familiar with the editing interface of Filmora, we will now proceed to the video editing process. We will use sample videos from the media library to our timeline. Simply drag the video file to add this to the timeline and select your preferred resolution. You can preview the video used in this window by pressing the play button. If you want to expand the file for easier editing, just click this button to fit your files in the timeline. To trim a clip from the beginning, you can drag from here to here. To split or cut a part of a video, just drag the playhead and click this button. If you want to rotate a video clip, just right-click and choose Rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. To crop a video, right-click and choose Crop and Zoom. Another window will appear, and here, you can adjust which part of the video you wanted to crop. If you want to pan and zoom, just click this tab and adjust from start to end. You can also change the ratio of cropping. To insert or join another video clip, choose and select from the media files and drag whichever you want to put the video. If you want to copy video clip, just right-click and choose Copy and Paste here. If you want to enhance the video, double-click and the properties of that video will appear. You can check Auto Enhance here. Or if you want, you can try other options here and experiment different ways of enhancing your video clip. To change the speed or duration of the video, just right-click and choose Speed and Duration. Another window will open in which you can custom the speed and duration. If you want to make your video 5 times faster, then the value for speed should be 5. You can also adjust in duration field to be more specific. Then if you're done, click OK. If you want to freeze a certain frame of a video for a short period of time, place the playhead in which frame you want to put, right-click, and choose Add Freeze Frame. You can adjust this by dragging the green part here. To zoom in or zoom out the timeline, just click this slide bar to adjust. If you want to resize your video clip, just double-click the video in the timeline, and go to Preview window and resize your video. To render your project in the timeline, just click this button to preview rendering anything in this area. If red line shows here, that means you need to render. If it is green line, then the files are LED rendered for smoother playback. Sometimes when you delete a part of a video, you don't want to have gaps between two video clips. To avoid gaps, we need to enable Auto Ripple here. If this is disabled, you can see there is a gap. If you enable this again, the other clip here automatically adjusts itself to fill in the gap. If you want to group a part of the project, select the part that you want to group, right-click and choose Group. And if you wish to disable group editing, just right-click again and choose Ungroup. In our next video, we will be learning audio editing ability to help you edit your audio files. Don't forget to hit like, comment and subscribe to get notified to our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.